get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Warm welcome to Country Van Life UK.
All right, me lovelies, how are you all doing? Glad you could join me today. I've just got a quick giveaway for you today, a bit of a review as well. As you know, we don't do many. We're starting to snow again. We had loads of snow last night and it's coming down again now. Yeah, so it's just a quick one, just a few minutes, guys. Bear with me because I've got one to give away to you guys. I think one or two of you will enjoy this one if you can get your hands on one of these pieces kits, which is lovely. It's from Ivan. Thanks, Ivan, from a lovely company. Just put my bins on for a second. The eyes are going, blimey, tell me about it. Knocking on now. Yeah, from Bluesky Sea. Anyway, it's a Seesii, I think that's how you say it. For everyone, really. You know, we all like a power tool, don't we? Even the ladies like a power tool these days. Oh, missus. Yeah, so it's handy for a lot of people, especially for folks in vans, full-timers, whatever, or even part-timers. If you want campfires, cutting down a bit of dead wood and chopping it up for your old campfires, or using it home in your gardens for your trimming, your pruning, whatever. And this is a one-handed, it's not one of those big hefty bloody things, guys, that could take your head off. It's a handy little 6-inch. You can get it in 6-inch or 8-inch. I think the 6-inch are about 47 quid, the 8-inch are about 67 quid. So nice and cheap, but I've got one to give away, so keep watching. All you lot out there, you know I don't do many reviews on the channel at all, folks. When I do them, I want a free one to give back to you. I renege on all my usual fees for doing a review. In exchange that the company will give me an extra one besides the one they give me. They'll give me an extra one so I can give it to you guys. So I give up on the fees, so I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just doing something to give back to you guys. Right, we'll show you. I won't ramble on too much. Here it is. Comes in a lovely little moulded smart case. That is lovely, and that's the device there. Is it a C? Is it a Seesii? The Seesii 6-inch portable remote chainsaw. We'll just get it out of the box. I'll show you exactly what's in the box, folks. Just give you a quick reveal. You know I don't do unboxing really. If I can get the box open. Right, and there it is inside the box. All the bits in there. Don't know if you can see that, folks. I'll hold it up a bit. It's not too heavy. I think it only weighs £4, so you can use one-handed, so the ladies can use this as well. Obviously, take care when using any sort of electrical chainsaws or cutting equipment, guys. Take all the precautions, the glasses, the gloves, take all the usual steps of safety and how to handle it. But this one comes with two batteries, so I think there's 4,000 milliamp batteries, and that will give you a run time of 18 minutes. So any big job you've got, you can do it all with this little baby. And that's the batteries there, the 21 volt Leon batteries. Lovely jubbly. You get two of those, and they're all both fully charged already. You get the charging plug there that you're plugging into your batteries and charge those up. But I've already checked those at the moment. You can check on the batteries whether they're charged. Just press that button there. Can you see that? Here we go. Both come fully charged. Lovely jubbly. You have to put special oil into this one, guys. That's all you have to put in this, other than charging your batteries. And this is chain and rail oil that you have to put in. I'll just show you how all that goes in a minute. You get a spare chain, which is always good news. Put these on, see what these look like on country. How do I look? Quite cool, eh? Nice pair of glasses. Pair of gloves. I'm not sure those are chainsaw safety gloves, but anything that can help you guys. Pair of gloves, and obviously you've got full instructions there, which is all good, and a little screwdriver to adjust the chain if you want to change the chain at all. And here is the device. Here we go. Tiny little saw. I hope you can see that, folks. I hope I've got it in the film there, and the light's not too bad. It's a bit dark in the van this afternoon. You've got a safety guard on top of the chain there. Okay, stop any splinters coming back. There's a guard on there, just take that off. And there we are, your little 6-inch one-handed chainsaw. A lovely jubbly. This will do most jobs for those who've got log fires inside their camper vans, or those who are doing some trimming around the garden or whatever, or you're just cutting up a bit of wood for your little campfire. Absolutely ideal. Your oil goes in there, and that little nozzle there, just take that off, pour the oil in there, the chain and rail oil. That has to be chain and rail oil, and there's a little pump there. You pump that until you see the oil inside that bubble there, and you're good to as you go. You got safety feature of the rail there, of course. You got the safety feature of the on-off lock there, so you can lock it on, lock it off. Lovely jubbly. I'll just pop a battery inside this. I've not even run this yet. The batteries, there they go. They just slide inside the unit. Snap that into position. We are in. We are good to go. And you hold the safety button in. You can only start it by a two operation sequence. Press the button in, then press the trigger, and here we go. Press the button in, trigger. There we go. Right, I need to pop some oil in there before I go and do some work. There's all instructions how to change the chain and everything, and instructions how to put it. Very simple. Just put the battery in and press the button, and away you go. Right, I'm going to go outside. I'm going to wait for it to brighten up a little bit. We're going to do a bit of cutting outside. It's a high efficiency model, 900 watt motor on this one. It's a pure sine wave motor, which is pretty good. It's the latest 2005 edition. As I say, it runs for 80 minutes. It does up to 600 cuts per charge, 4 times longer than its competitive models. 1.7 kilos in weight, one-handed use, very easy. There will be a discount code down below for these guys that this company to purchase chain, but I've got one to give away at the end, so don't forget that. We're going to give one away, guys, right at the end of the video, so please keep watching. And the reviews from this, I looked at the reviews on this one. I'll give you the eBay link as well down below. The reviews on this, it's over 8,000 reviews on this, and they've got a 4.6 review out of 5 rate, which is pretty excellent for that amount of views. That is amazing. So a lot of people are enjoying this. Right, all we need to do now, get out in the woods. Again, safety, I can't express safety. Read up all you can about chainsaws and power tools, how to handle them safely, guys. Please, you've got to be careful. Wear all the right equipment, gloves, glasses, whatever, and the way you angle the blade and everything. And also cutting wood. Now, you know, I see a lot of van people or people out in the woods camping or whatever, collecting wood and chomping it off the trees. You cannot cut down live wood, guys. That is a no-no. It's not very good for burning anyway, live wood. You want dead wood on the ground. Even dead trees that look dead, if they're in the ground and they're standing, leave them alone, guys, because they can come back to life again. Only cut fallen wood or rotten wood on the ground. That's but even most of that wood that's lying on the ground, if it's on someone's property, then that wood belongs to someone. So be careful when you're collecting wood. It's not as simple as it sounds, folks. You've got to be careful. Try and get permission, even if you're collecting wood that's on the ground. But my view is collect wood that's dead, broken, standing up, leaning on a tree, off the ground, so it's nice and dry as well, because you'll have to dry it out if not, and always get permission if you're on private land as well. Right, stop rambling on, Stephen. We'll go out and give this a quick test out my van here in this lovely wilderness on the Isle of Lewis. Sorry, Harris is just down the road. On the Isle of Lewis, up here just outside Stornoway. Absolutely, and snow starting to settle as well. So we'll go outside. We'll see what this little baby can do. Chainsaw massacre. Right, let's go and try this nice light piece of kit. Hopefully works a dream. Let's go and have a look. Coming in the woods. Let's go for a walk in the woods. You come in. Oh, look at the ice on the lead button. Lots of ice about. It's supposed to be temperature's supposed to be coming up a little bit in the next couple of days, but it's like this 0 to 3 degrees for the next couple of days. But lovely. Anyway, we're going into the woods. We're going into the woods. I've got me little chainsaw with me, and we'll see what this little baby can do. Never tried it, so this is going to be interesting. Beautiful place, eh? Right, there are some fallen logs and chopped logs up here, which we'll have a look at. Come on, let's have a look what this chainsaw can do. Lovely. Right, some more fallen lumber here. It's quite a thick piece this is, about 3 inches thick, coming down to about 5-6 inches thick there. Let's see how we're going with this. Get off my guard. Nice steady stance. We've got a nice firm grip. Get it on a horse if you can, or you know, a horse for wood. Nice stable ground, guys. You want the wood to fall away, and a nice grip. Right, here we go. This is about 2.5 inches thick. Here we go. Let the saw do the work. And look at that. Cracking. It's quite thick that is, guys. Right. Got an even bigger piece here. Can we get through that? That's a good 5 inches. It's, don't forget it's only a 6-inch saw. But if you use it correctly, you should be alright. Here we go. Nice and easy. Firm grip. No clothes anywhere. And away we go. Let the saw do the work. Wow, look at that, guys. Absolutely lovely cut, a nice clean cut. Oh, what a little power horse this is. Absolutely magnificent. You can see that, guys. That's a good 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 4 inches thick, and it'll do even thicker. Just go around underneath as well. Make sure you got that nice firm grip. Oh, that is cracking. That's done a brilliant job of that. Right, he's going to have a look for some more. All right, we've got some lumber there that's been. Got some lumber here that's been chopped by a woodsman. I won't take any of this away. I'm just going to sort a bit up. Most lumber belongs to someone. These trees belong to someone. The fallen wood belongs to someone, guys. So we've got to be careful. Anyway, we've got a nice big log here, quite chunky again. Get a nice base, nice firm base, and away we go. Give this a go, shall we? Wait till the motor's in full rotation before you go in. Here we go. Cuts it through like butter. Don't force it, just let the motor drop down nice and easy. Oh, what a cracking piece of kit this is. Absolutely love it, guys. Ideal for in a camper van for your log fires, ideal for camping, for your barbecues, ideal for in your gardens, doing all the trimming of the trees. If there are some fallen branches up here, we're going to have a look at that. Alright, just go and have a look. She's cut through those fine, folks. Some fallen branches here. Just have a look what we got here. Is that nice and firm? That'll do. Right, see if we get through this one. Here we go. Cracking. What a piece of kit. Absolutely love it. So you can do all your trimming, lob all your twigs down and everything, your hedges. It's ideal for light work, but it will go through 6-inch logs, and probably even bigger if you just go round, then come underneath, round the top. It'll go through thick log. All of these ones here, it'll cut through those with ease. Just have a walk up here. They've been trimming this tree here, so we'll have a little trim here. Just lopping off little bits here. Nice and simple, guys. That is cracking. Love it. What a lovely piece of kit. It works an absolute dream. Pump the oil in now and again. Just press that bubble there. Get some oil on your rail now and again. you're good to go. Batteries will last for bloody ages, which is brilliant. Right, what should we do here? Shall I try and slice a slice off this here? Here we go. Right, let's just try and slice a little slice off there, shall we? Here we go. Perfect disc. A lovely cut as well. Just have a look at that disc. I was thinking of cutting some discs like this, folks. Look at that. Perfect disc cut off. Cutting something disc like this and doing a bit of artwork on them. Then varnish them. And a nice bit of a hobby. Guys, there you go. What do you think of that? What an impressive piece of kit that is for a small little device. Oh man, it goes for everything, even thicker wood. As long as you go around the bottom and the top, you can even get thicker 10-inch pieces of logs. So ideal. Right, do you want to win one of these? Now I've got discount code down below, so it's going to knock another 9-10% off it for you, for those that wish to purchase these. Plus we've got the Amazon link down below where you can get these from these lovely buddy people at See-Sii, which is lovely. Right, now to win one, is your chance to win one now. All you need to do is like this video, give it a thumbs up, obviously be a subscriber to the channel, folks, and you need to put in the comments, I would like to win a See-Sii saw, and that's it basically. Also, make sure you press the hype button. If you've got the hype button on your scroll button across the video, press that as well on the video. So subscribe, press the like button, press the hype button, and put in comments, I would like to win a See-Sii saw. And that's it. We'll do a draw in a couple of days, and the winner's going to have one of these little babies sent to you from the lovely guys at See-Sii. Thanks all the guys at See-Sii for these products and for giving me one to give away to you lovely people. So get those comments in a couple of days. We'll do a lovely duck race draw again for the winner, and I'll get one sent off to you direct from See-Sii. Lovely. Right, let's crack on with the day. What we're going to do today on the island. We've got a saw now, so I could go crazy. Catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching, and thanks See-Sii for these lovely products. Catch you later.
Join us on our next adventure with Country Van Life UK.